Hunting 400C Pro hunting camera has all the tools even an inexperienced user needs. LCD screen for programming the camera, IR LED for recording at night, motion sensor for activating the camera only when animals pass by, wide-angle lenses 100 degrees, and microSD card slot of maximum 32 GB for saving recordings. The built-in motion sensor triggers recording only when the camera detects movement. To avoid false alarms, pay special attention to where the camera is installed. Remove from its visual field branches or other elements that could cause the camera to trigger through their movement. When it detects movement, the Penny Hunting 400C Pro hunting camera can send photos to 4 phone numbers via MMS and photo or video to 4 email addresses via SMTP. Whether you are watching over your house, garden or farm, or watching and monitoring the life and habits of wild animals, the Penny Hunting 400C Pro camera is the most suitable solution. With small dimensions, a camouflage-looking case and LEDs with adjustable brightness high-low, the Penny Hunting 400C Pro hunting camera becomes almost impossible to detect. IP66 class ensures protection of the camera against dust, rain and moisture.